and namaskar guys, this is me Mugdha. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. So this video was very impromptu. It was not planned and it was I thought that I should make it because my hairs have been through a lot of new changes and you guys have noticed the changes. They are positive changes obviously. So I thought let's just film it because I have free time and I was going to do a lot of new things this week. So I filmed this video. This is my miniature hair care routine. I have not shown all the steps, but I have shown almost all of the main things that I do to take care of my hair and to increase their strength and to improve their quality. So if you guys enjoy the video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video with all your curly friends or the friends that are facing a lot of hair problems so that this video is helpful for them too. And I'll see. Just go and watch the video.
Hey guys, here I am soaking the shikakai. This is how it looks. You can get this at any store, Ayurvedic store, and it helps in hair growth and repair. So I'm gonna soak it with 2 glasses of water overnight. Depending on your hair length, you can change the ratio. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of normal oil with 1 tablespoon of Arendelle tail and applying it to my hair. And this is the hair mask. Take 2 or more spoons of yogurt, add honey according to the ratio 2:1 and mix it well. Sometimes I like to add a banana into this mixture, but today I decided to keep it simple and hence went for just honey and yogurt. And here is how the mixture should look like after you mix it. It smells a little dirty, but it is really helpful for your hair. So guys, this is how my hair looks like when I remove it off the bun that I wear every night. And here I am applying the hair mask to my hair. Massage it on your scalp, concentrate it on your scalp more than the ends, and whatever remains in the ends, just apply it on your length, but put more amount of it on your scalp. Here I am boiling the shikakai.
So guys, this is how my hair looks in the end. What you need to do after boiling part of the shikakai is you just need to boil it till it boils obviously, and then you need to put it for cooling. And once you wash your hair with your normal shampoo and condition them, then you just have to pour the shikakai on your hair and just massage it in for a few minutes. You don't have to rinse shikakai after you have poured it. You just have to keep it the way it is and just let your hair dry normally as you would, and you will notice a lot of new changes in your hair. The texture will just be so good and also the growth will be like very good. The 3 things that I noticed after I started using sulfate free shampoos and sulfate free conditioners. The first one is my hair has become very manageable. Okay, so what used to happen when I used to use the normal shampoos that I used back then, my hair used to be like wow, salon wow on the first day, and on the second day they used to be like okay, it's now okay, and on the third day they used to be like no, you need to wash them. So on the 4th day I had to wash them. But now that I have started using sulfate free options, my hair stays very manageable for more than 7 days because in the past month, if you know, I was unwell and I didn't wash my hair for 15 days. It sounds gross, but my hair was still very clean, still very manageable, and it didn't smell at all. It didn't look very dirty. I had to follow the instructions given by my doctor, so I didn't wash them for 15 days and they still were very good. Second thing that is my hair started growing so much. So I have curly hair and also my hair growth is like very teeny tiny. So whenever I get a haircut, my hair takes so long to grow back. But this time I got a haircut in the pandemic, before in the lockdown one, and my mom gave me a haircut at home because we were not allowed to go and no one was allowed to come here. So they grew back very fast. Okay, the longest my hair have been was in the first pandemic. I grew like in the first lockdown. I grew them and they were like almost reaching my lower back, and I was super happy. But then I had to get a haircut because I had previously highlighted them and the length of the highlights were like in between. So I had to get a haircut, and I got a haircut before my brother's wedding. If you have seen the video, I'll attach it in the eye corner on the screen. And I got a haircut. I cut them really short. So now they are like styled and they are this length. Okay. So when I got the haircut, they were straight, brushed out, and they were here. And now they have grown so much. Now they almost reach my middle back. So in a few days, I think they'll probably grow back to the normal length. And so I'm going to grow back my hair, and the sulfate-free shampoo is obviously going to help me. The third thing that I've noticed since I started using the sulfate-free shampoo is there is a very less dandruff. Because the dandruff, you know, the itchy dandruff that we get in the winters, there is no or very less dandruff. And there is literally, you know, when there's winter normally and my skin is oily and my hairs are very, very dry, so I used to get a lot of dandruff residue on my shoulder, but this time I have not gotten it. So my hair are improving in various aspects. Also, a fourth difference that I've noticed, I told three, but this is also a difference that I have noticed since I started using sulfate shampoo, is that there are very less split ends. So I am very happy because my hairs used to get really bad, real bad split ends in no time. So I had to cut my hair, like trim my hair very often before I started using sulfate-free shampoos. So that was also one reason I couldn't grow my hair. And so, but now I don't have to get a haircut because there are literally no split ends in my hair, or there are very less, like 25% split ends. So it is very manageable. And if you guys found this video or found this tips about or found this pros of sulfate free shampoos helpful, then please make sure that you start using sulfate free shampoos. Even if you don't have curly hair, please start it because it is going to benefit you and your hair. So, and there are a lot of options that are sulfate free and cheap or affordable, so you can start using them as well. And this was my mini hair care video. It's not complete hair care video, but if you guys like the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because I'll be posting a lot of new videos from now on. So if you like the channel, also share it with your friends, subscribe from all your mobiles in your house, and also like the video, comment down below if you are going to use, and I'll meet you next time.